One down. Okay, 1 out of 1. Dayak playing a lot of, I mean, the strongest players are who? It looks like Dayak and Naroditsky are the two strongest. Let's keep going. G6. A little bit risky playing like against this guy. He's kind of dangerous. We'll go here. Play E5, standard, maybe H6. Maybe just Queen E7. Let's play H6 to tickle the bishop, but I think Queen E7 is just better. Like Knight C4, I can go Knight D7. How do I do this? I think H6 should be the correct move. It's castle here. You guys are making weird faces. I don't know what's so funny, but something's funny. How do I do this? Maybe I think I'm gonna go B6 here. I'm like bishop B7. Try to fianchetto the bishop, basically. Yeah, you guys are making weird faces, and I don't really know why, so I gotta focus. Go here, maybe Knight C5 somewhere. Maybe, actually, you guys are gonna do it on purpose now to confuse me. Exciting times. Not actually sure what I'm supposed to play for here. I could go C5. I mean, I could go A. I think I'm gonna go A5 first. And I'm gonna go Rook C8 with the idea of maybe C5. Maybe I go G5 somewhere. Maybe. Trying to confuse the issue a little bit here for my opponent. Bishop C4. I could play G5. I could also take and go C5. Could also go C5 right away. I think I'm gonna go C5 right away and keep G5 alive for another move or two. He could go B5, I guess. He does. For some reason, I did not actually think about that move. Oh, yeah. This is not what I wanted. I guess I'll go here, maybe Knight E8, Knight D6. It's a little bit dangerous. A little bit dangerous. I should still be okay, but I don't love my position. I mean, I have this nice little fork. Well, let's see what we got. He goes there. Wait, what did he just play? Oh, he played A4. Let's go Knight D6, hit the bishop. B1 logical. Okay, so I have H5 somewhere in here. H5, G4 maybe. Maybe I go... I think I'm gonna go Knight F8 and Knight G6. Try to put the other knight in the center of the board if I can. I don't know if it makes any sense, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. I mean, he always has Bishop D5. I mean, I think I have to go C4. If I don't play C4, I don't know what I'm actually doing. Now his pawn on E4 is a little bit weak, though. It's also G4, I wrote. There's some G4 trick, like H5, G4. He's moving a little bit slowly. Here he goes H4. I mean, I'm trying to figure out if I have time to go Knight D7 or not. I think I've got time, so I'm going to go for this. I want to maybe put the knight on C5 or F6 here, depending on what he does. He goes there. Now, the key for me here is how do I keep the pressure on? Like, I do have knight C5, but it's not right. Somehow I need to do something on the king side. Goes knight F3, which I think is bad. I think F3 was a much better move. Now I get knight H5 and knight F4, and now things start to kind of go the wrong direction, I think. Still not easy for me to prove, but there. I could go G4. No. Go here, I guess. There's knight H2 logical. He is... What do I do here, though? I guess I'll go knight F4. Knight D3 ideas incoming. Still very tricky to play, but if I get these knights active, I have chance. Although I think I'm actually a little bit worse here. There's knight G4. I have knight D3. What's wrong with this, actually? Go here. I should be better now, I think, because there's too much pressure in the center of the board. You have to wait. Oh, I can't play F5 because I'm pinned. Annoying. Knight C4 doesn't look right. King F8 looks insane, but I think it's actually a good move, so I'm going to play. I just want to go F5 to the pin. And I couldn't do it because the other pin. See what he does. 23, 23. Oh, wait, now I've got... Am I blundering or not? I think this works now. Yeah, it's too slow. I think I've got the game in hand now. I also have F4. 10, 9, 8. What's that do? Nothing? Okay, now I'll just take with the rook. I go queen g7, and I should be covering up pretty easily here. Yeah, I just cover up. I've got rook e4. Okay, so he's trying to activate the knight. He's got knight g6 looming, but I think I can just ignore it by walking my king up. Yeah, we get the win. Okay, good stuff.